I'm Jonas Luge, I'm the CEO of Dicobis, and Southern Germany Ulmer company of around 20 consultants. Yeah, because Companial helps me licensing the correct way, CSP licenses. They help me getting the knowledge for the good prices, for discount offers of Microsoft. Microsoft has very complex licensing structure and discount structure for partners and for customers. And Companial helps me bring me the best solution for the customer. Yeah, I write an email or do a phone call or I use a ticket system, and I get immediately an answer, and this helps us a lot. And the colleagues who are working with licensing, it's worked them a lot. They don't have to gain all the knowledge they need for the licensing. They can ask Companial. First of all, the Companial network, where we can speak with our partners, sharing knowledge or doing projects together. And of course, the lead generation of Companial, Companial can qualify potential customers and giving them to the partners.